Welcome back to the Earth and Bloom channel, everyone. We're in the new shop today. I'll give you a quick peek because of the blizzard still coming down pretty good. They say 10 or 15 centimeters of snow is coming tonight. So I thought a couple of hours, we'll see if we can't get this chainsaw bench put together. So yeah, the last video or so we cut all this up, all the pieces, and I'll show you the situation. So we just got spray foaming done not long ago. Get this all sealed up. Yeah, here's a couple chainsaws laying on the ground. So this is kind of where I'm building it, right in here. So you can see we got it spray foamed. It's all sealed up. So I just want to make the bench 40 inches high here, or 42. I am 6'3", so it'll make that height. Then it'll get rid of all these chains. These are all this chain stock. We'll get those mounted to the bench. Then it just gives a spot for everything. So we'll have, I think, 3 shelves, 2 chainsaws, 2 chainsaws, 2 chainsaws. And then the chains and stuff can go under the bench. Yeah, these are bandsaw blades, so that they can go somewhere else. But yeah, if you haven't seen it, I'll go show you the first one I made, the quick and easy one, to hold the chainsaws and why it didn't quite work. Take the jacket off. So here was the first attempt to a chainsaw bench, or chainsaw holder. So you can see I bore cut 4 slots into it. Now it did kind of work, but any moisture that's on your bar still, as you stick it in, it flash rusts. Quite a few people did comment on the first video that it would do that, and it did. I've cut these for making wedges. Then yeah, just put nails in it to hold chains, but it was convenient. But it just, then the saws were dripping on each other. And so now it's a nice jacket holder. Keep it nice and warm by the fire. And it holds wood nice. So I was thinking, right now I'm just using the garbage pail as the other end. So it'll stay here, just won't be used for chainsaws no more. So let's just get to measuring and see if we can't throw a bench together. Okay, so these are our 2 front pieces. So we're gonna add 2 inches to that, I believe. And we'll just trace the edge and kind of jigsaw it out, maybe. Just trying to see where we're going to be going from. Like that. This spray foam is not square. Well, that'll be the hardest part, I think. Alright, so we just got these cut. I I think we'll rest the shelves on top. I didn't really plan for this. I should have framed it out. It's hard to frame around this spray foam. I think if we do that, then we'll run a piece of board that way. Because these are 14, our shelves are 10s. We might have enough room to just hide the spray foam behind some of those 3/4 inch boards. So, just kind of winging it. This will be kind of shelf height with these. Kind of there. So that should be enough room between for the first shelves, and then the next ones will be right here. Might be able to fit 3. Oh, we will see. All right, shelf 1. So we'll just do that 4 more times and we'll see if it works. All right, we got the shelf supports in. Now we just need to cut 1 more shelf. Cold from that storm. Still snowing. All right, 1 more 4-foot shelf. That'll be close enough. Just because it's fresh pine, this is a finishing blade. So you gotta go just a little bit at a time. So let's take this and see if it fits. Okay, so the 4 supports are in. Just quick and easy ones. Perfect. Then we'll be able to just put a screw in those just so they don't slide around too much. Now let's see if this top one fits. That one was gonna be tight. I'm gonna have to cut some off, I think. All right, I'll be right back. Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. I think I'm gonna flip it, actually. We'll keep the live edge curling down. So that's our 2 shelves. We'll put the 2 chainsaws I don't use up there. Ones I use more, And then we'll just keep the main ones on the bench, I think. So now we gotta make the bench top. We got all these posts cut to length. I'm thinking we'll just put a 2x4, because these are gonna sit like this. We'll screw them to the wall. Then we'll put a 2x4 straight across, maybe. And then we can put the bench top on. And we'll put one shelf, so another 2x4. And then just put the bench shelf across. Just be a crude bench. And we'll mount the vise and see how it looks. So I'll just get those pieces cut and we'll screw them in. Now let's go do that to the other side, then we'll measure how long these have to be. Because they don't have to go, these cross pieces don't have to go the whole way. I think we'll just go to here. Like I said, we're just winging it, so that's what we'll try. 20, we'll go 20, I think. Okay, so we got some 20-inch pieces cut. We'll just make them go kind of like so. I don't think I need to fasten this leg. I think the top will stiffen it as well as the shelves, so we'll just go along with that for now. Now we'll get the other side. We'll just mark it here. That'll give us how far we have to cut it in. Then we'll mark it kind of like so. That'll get us close. We'll cut that out. Alright, we got our skill saw. We'll just square this out. Better use the pencil to write. And then we'll take this. That's a bit too deep. Are we close there? That'll be close. Tighten it up. Alright, perfect. And we'll just cut it. That's probably the most satisfying part about this. Breaking those all out. Now we'll get a little chisel. There, that'll do the trick. Let's go see if it fits. And let's see if this fits nice. Ooh. Not too shabby. Let's cut this out just so the shelf fits nice. This side I think will be alright. I forgot about this cut off live edge piece. We'll use it for the shelf bracing brackets, whatever you want to call them. Burn the end. ready. We got that side in, cut out, put a couple screws in it. So here's where we're at. We got those framed in. We'll get the shelving cut. And then we just need to do the tops. I think I got one top piece. Let's see how it fits. So these are the 2" by 10" pieces that we cut. That'll be a top. Nice. Yeah, that's a good height. Working at. So yeah, I think I'll cut out, I might need to cut some of this out just to fit the top part. Because this will be the front piece for over here. So I think I'm going to round this corner with the live edge here. Because this will be where the chainsaw riveter goes. So we'll have it at an angle. We'll leg it right in right there. And then there's space for the chain loop to hang down. And space to spin the handles. Alright, jigsaw should just work. So let's see how this goes. Not too shabby. That's actually a pretty good cut. See if it lines up. Whoop. That's nice. Well, that doesn't look too bad, actually. I'll just nip that corner off. Kind of make it look natural. That corner right there. So leave it down in the comments below if I should round the other side like I did this side here. Kind of like that. Or if it should stay like this. And then the vise will be going right here for sharpening. So we can have it hang the bar out, I think. Sharpen. So it might stay like that. I'll leave it like that. But let me know what you guys think. If that should be evened out or not. Now we need to rip a piece for in the center here. Okay, I got one more step. I just got to cut a little bit out of these. Oh. Alright, so we got the 2 pieces notched out. Now I think I'm going to put the 7" top at the back. So we'll take that out for now. Put our 7" top back in. And see if this slides through. It's stiff. Nice. All right, now we'll grab the other top. Ooh, last piece. Nice. Nice. Now he's got to fasten it, but that's a nice top. Nice and sturdy. 2 inches thick. That'll be a nice chain station. Sawmill is cutting pretty nice. Nice and flush. And this one has some cool bluing going on, so I'm quite happy with that. I'm just going to put some screws in it, fasten this down. Maybe nails through the top. See if I have any nails. Well, there we have it, guys. We got ourselves a chainsaw bench. There's the old David Bradley, sorry. The Chinese Husky 365. The 261. The Echo 600. And probably my new favorite, the 572. So yeah, 2 shelves hold the saws. And then right here we got my grandfather's old vise. This is a Crawford out of Woodstock, Ontario. So these were built early 1900s to like 1952. They went out of business. So it's a pretty old vise. Super smooth still. So I wanted to use this one for the chainsaw bench. File holders, got flat file, 404, 325, and the 3/8 for the 572. Then just some miscellaneous tools. Got the bar dresser. 2-in-1 file for the 261. Scrunch. And mounted this here. This is the breaker for all the rolls of chain right here. So the idea is this is you can take your roll up here and kind of spin it right there. I might put a rod in the table right there maybe, but for now we'll just do this. Then you pull it out this way, count your links, and then you can just snip it just like that. And then we got the chain riveter on the side here. Like I was saying before, made this round so you could fit this at an angle right here and still run both sides here. And the chain will hang right past the edge of the table. Back up, give you a little bit of a better view here. Still gotta hang. I'm gonna put a 4-foot light right there, LED light, make it bright. So I'm a taller feller. That's why I made this bench 42 inches high. Say I'm gonna put it, I'll put the saw in the vise. Grab it, And I'm right at the perfect height here. So I'm not hunched over no more. My other bench is a little bit lower. It's nicer for dealing with stuff on the bench. I think it's probably 2 inches lower, 4 inches lower. But yeah, so this makes it a nice height for sharpening. Saw fits both ways. So you can do your work on it. Air compressor is right there. So yeah, I think I like this setup. It'll keep everything organized for the chainsaws. Probably a little better than this. But if you did prefer that log holder, let me know down in the comments what one you would pick. A kind of organization bench like this, or just the log. Simple and effective, maybe. Just don't leave your bars in it for too long. Yeah, so the new mill milled all this wood. It's all 2-inch, the bench top. What was it, jack pine, I think? These are 2 inches. Basically everything's 2 inches, and I'll pull this out, lean on it. Though I don't weigh very much. I can't move that bench, so I'm happy. It turned out good. I don't really mind the blue spray foam behind it. It's kind of hard because it's not flat. I don't know how to... It'll probably just stay like that. It looks all right. But if you guys have any ideas for that, drop it down in the comments. Because I was thinking of using this 3/4 inch boards that I milled up back there. But I was having a hard time figuring out exactly how to put it. So if you guys have some ideas for that, I'd like to hear them. I might just use them. So anyways, that's it for this. This is my little Christmas gift for the shop. A little chainsaw organization. So I hope you guys all have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you guys in the next one.